Hi, in this little session I will give you an little introduction to why we talk about integrated water treatment. It has to do with the fact that we need to understand the industrial production we're dealing with because first of all it provides us with a lot of information about the substances that we can expect to find in the water, and naturally also because the demands for the water um, brought back to the process can deduct it from understanding the process. But we have to have a pretty deep understanding of the raw materials used, the individual unit operations, and any chemicals applied, and things like that. So here we see that we have this need uh, for an understanding of the composition and the quality demands. And of course, there are other means to learn about this, but I will come back to that later on. We also need to know what the quality requirements we are facing for the water that is applied to the water that we simply discharge to municipal wastewater treatment plant. I mean, in any case, there will be certain standards or certain limit values that the water discharge will have to meet. When we have a fairly good understanding of this, we can start identifying the right treatment processes to meet these quality requirements. And here we can distinguish between treatment option that is used for pre-treatment and treatment option that is used for recycling water back. Typically, the treatment for pre-treatment will be relatively simple process. It might be sedimentation or pH neutralization, while the treatment options for uh, recycling will be a lot more advanced in their nature. So in any case, whatever it's the one or the other options, we also need to have a fairly good understanding of the fate in particular, and but also to some extent the effect of the compounds or the pollutants found in this water. And why is that? That is simply because that will give us some indication of how we can um, take care of the concentrates that are typically produced in such different treatments. Very few treatment options will not provide some kind of a sludge or a concentrate. And having already an understanding of the nature of the compounds that we can find in these concentrates will make it possible for us to start considering the fate of the concentrates. So that's why, all in all, we talk about integrated water treatment. Thank you.